In the heart of sorrow, we often find the deepest expressions of truth and unity. Chamisa was a unifying figure, and I'm deeply saddened that he left us too soon, before I had the opportunity to become president, Nelson Chamisa remarked, his voice heavy with grief as he stood amongst those mourning at a funeral in Harare. Ellison Chamisa, age 75, served as the chaplain general of Nyeradzow Funeral Services, a role through which his influence and warmth touched many. In a country marked by its vibrant yet complex tapestry of cultures and politics, Chamisa stood as a beacon of unity and comfort. He presided over the funerals of politicians, dignitaries, and everyday citizens alike, each service conducted with the same level of compassion and respect. Chamisa, in his tribute, highlighted Chamisa's profound impact on the community, describing him as a pillar of unity. He shared anecdotes of Chamisa's life, illustrating his commitment to bringing people together during times of both joy and immense sorrow. This dedication to unity was mirrored in Chamisa's own aspirations, as he faced political challenges and opposition from figures like Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Chiwenga's recent remarks underscored a political landscape fraught with contention. He asserted that Chamisa, despite his aspirations, would find the presidency an unattainable goal. Chamisa, however, responded with a proverb from his youth in Gutu, suggesting that such assertions often reveal more about the speaker than the subject. When people say something won't happen to them, it means it already has, he explained, inferring that leadership qualities are often recognized and challenged by adversaries. As Chamisa navigated these political waters, he often reflected on the lessons learned from Chamisa. "My father Chamisa, thank you for unifying us, thank you for bringing us together," he said. His words not just a tribute, but a call to action for unity and leadership in the face of adversity. The legacy of Ellison Chamisa thus resonates beyond his immediate duties as a chaplain. It lies in the profound sense of community he fostered, a legacy now intertwined with Chamisa's continuing journey towards leadership. In the stories of these two figures, we witness the enduring power of unity and leadership that transcends the boundaries of life and death. As the sun sets on the life of a cherished chaplain and rises on the political aspirations of a determined leader, the people of Zimbabwe continue to navigate their path forward, guided by the unifying spirit of figures like Chamisa and the resilient leadership of individuals like Chamisa. Together, they craft a narrative of hope and unity, urging us all to look beyond our differences and embrace the collective journey ahead.